what's up people, this is Thogoto Forest family, na leo tumekuja place fulani inajiita Silver Oak, tukapata na vitu zingine za power sana. Tumepata kuna trees, kuna seedlings, kuna nature mazee, environment iko clean, tunapumua hewa safi. Alafu tumepata na mwanadada mazee ako into environmental protection, conservation, na bado ni yeye anashughulika kuangalia hizi vitu. So tunataka kujua jina lake, who she is, and tuambie jani yake imekuaje. So tunaweza anza na jina lako, unajiita nani?
Hi, najiita Estanjeri.
Yes.
An assistant at Silver Oak Mazingira Hub organization.
Yes.
We major in indigenous trees, quite a variety of species.
Yeah. So being a lady and you are into conservation, yes, you can tell us some of the things that inspired you to be in this industry.
Well, lucky enough, I followed my career path. Mm-hmm. So back in the university, I did a degree in environmental studies, community, yes, development. Mm-hmm. So you realize these are two things that intertwine. Mm-hmm. One is environmental studies and then the other is community development.
Yeah.
I represent the community part, mm-hmm, and then the environment is here,
yeah,
at my disposal. So
yes,
that is what inspired me. First, following a career path, and second, I'd say it's a motivation from a colleague, Monari.
Yes.
It started way back. Being in an environmental, as simple as being in an environmental club, going to those tree planting days together, yes, and you realize the kind of fun that comes with it. Mm-hmm. I mean, aside from the benefit of knowing that you're doing this,
yeah,
for eternity, yeah, because you're planting a tree that will live forever.
Yes.
Somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So career path, plus that social connection with friends, that was quite a motivation. Mm-hmm.
Were there many ladies when you started, or it has always been like you and some of your friends?
Unfortunately, it has always been me and some of my friends.
Mm-hmm. What might be the challenge? Like many ladies are not in the ground. Our hizi stories of conservation environment. Shida inaweza kuwa gani?
Well, it's not as fun as one would. It might not be their kind of fun,
Yes.
People would want something that is so much partying than going to identify. I mean, who cares what that tree is and everything? They want a more kind of fun.
Yeah.
And my kind of fun drew me to this. I'd say that way. For most ladies, maybe this will not be their kind of fun.
Challenges gani unapitia ka dem, like now kuanzia from the ground ya mnasema inaitangwa potting, from potting zina germinate, zinakuwa bigi. Hiyo jani unaweza tuelezea inaendanga aje?
Well, as a lady, this practically this looks like a male job thing to do. I mean, lifting all these things, you have to be willing to sacrifice the little energy that you have as a lady. The time you see, I'd be somewhere doing some more reproductive roles than these productive roles.
Yeah.
Plus, you have to really be willing to travel and everything. You are going to identify the trees, collect the seeds. The consultancies you're going to offer. The technical bits. It's more male oriented than female oriented. So that's quite a challenge, taking on a path that is male dominated.
Na hii misconception maybe unaweza tuondolea, like wazazi wanasemanga aje, mabishte wanasemanga aje ukiwaambia mazi mimi ni msi wa nursery, ukiwa wao wakisema mimi ni msi wa fashion and beauty, na wewe unawaambia na mimi ni msi wa nursery, wao uchukulia aje like tukaa hiyo?
Well, siwezi chukulia na ile no hard feelings. I mean, no hard feelings, because like I said, we all have a different types of fun.
Yes.
What I find fun to engage in, someone else might find it, quite boring, outdated. So I enjoy, and I wouldn't feel like I wouldn't take it personal if someone thought she must be living a very boring life. Yeah. I find it fun doing it. I mean, working in the nursery, going to identify the trees, everything about it, connecting like the way you guys came in.
The social connection
that it creates.
Yes.
It all drives me towards my career path, the environmental studies and community. So it's fun, I'd say.
Yeah. Very fun, or it's fun?
It's very fun, actually. It's very fun.
Yes.
I wouldn't choose a different path. I mean, given another chance.
Yeah.
This would be the thing I'd always want to do.
Okay.
Yes.
You have been in this journey for how long, by the way?
Since 2022.
Since 2022. Have you tried to nurture other ladies, other female in the society into this?
It's quite a challenge because you find that for female, for ladies,
Yes.
we are quite disadvantaged because at one point you really need to go and be with a family or start a family or choose a different thing. It's hard.
Yeah.
It's not like I'd tell my male friends to get into this because most of my female friends are family women.
Yes.
Nobody wants to leave their kid for this kind of a thing. So it's quite a challenge.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of sacrifice. Yeah.
But you have tried to nurture some of them. I want to know if you have tried to nurture some ladies in the community.
In the community, I have ladies in my family. I encourage them to do this. Plant a tree. Although I still insist, it's quite a challenge. Nobody sees the sense. It's not like if they were willing to come into the outside world and see for them, it's easy than finding someone in their personal space and tell them, let's go and venture into indigenous trees, conservation and everything.
Yeah.
But I'm still trying. It's too soon to give up. I'm still trying.
Yeah. I know the government of Kenya has an initiative of planting more than 15 billion trees. I know you are in conservation and environmental protection. What are you doing as an individual to help the government to achieve that goal?
Well, as an individual, first, the government will obviously need the tree seedlings to carry out the whole activity.
Yes.
So anytime I go out somewhere, it's me and my eyes open to check whether I see some seeds dropping, collect them, some wild tree that maybe has germinated, and pick it, come plant it, because it will start with having the tree seedlings before getting to the whole idea of bringing a forest.
Do you face challenges like seasonal? So do you have like seasonal challenges when you plant the seedlings then zinakufa kama zote?
Yeah, it happens. Those are some of the risks. Assuming maybe there is they are infested with maybe some pests and diseases. Yeah. And they die. There comes a dry spell and it dies. Those are common challenges that we experience. Yeah. As an organization. Jambo langu la mwisho kitu ningependa kusema ni wacha tufanye kazi pamoja. This by the conservation see boring as people might see. I mean, look at how it connects us. Sasa nini ingine ingetuleta pamoja kama sio kitu kama
maybe upendo.
I mean, it starts here.
Yes.
It starts here. Sasa kutokana na hapa ndo utaona tukianza kupenda hiyo conservation, pia tuanze tu kugrow hiyo interpersonal, love kind. Yeah. Hiyo tu it all starts here. Ndo naweza sema wacha tuichukue personal and venture into this kind of a thing. Okay.
Any challenge unaweza ambia, say like for example me challenge yenye ninawaambia from her she went to school and got a degree. So ni kumaanisha watu wa conservation na wakoangi mafala tu, si ndio? Another thing yenye unaweza sema like watu wanafaa kuwa wanajua ndo like tusaidiane vifiti kuendelea kuconserve the environment. Apart from now going for a degree na kupata experience, what else do we need?
Well, I think what we need is ile personal drive, because honestly no one needs a degree kwenda ku collect seeds. Does it need you to have a degree? No. It doesn't. But ile personal drive tuichukue personal. Ile ukipata tu nini tuseme ni seeds, wewe ukota tu utajua baadaye kitu ita grow up. I mean it will still grow into some tree. wacha ikuwe ni ile person. You don't need some education. Hakuna kizungu inahitajika hapo. Mchanga tu. Hakuna kizungu. Kizungu mingi hakuna. So it's about the inner drive. Let's have that inner drive ya kuingia kwa conservation. It doesn't need much. It just needs you and the time and the commitment.
Okay.
Yeah.
But in short, ukiangalia the camera,
it has been nice engaging with the Thogoto Forest family.
yes.
And I hope that there'll be more, chances to engage and see if we can still save the forgotten, child, the indigenous trees.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sawa sawa, asante sana. Ubarikiwe sana.
Amen. Ubarikiwe.
Sana.
Yes.